Hi teachers, I just want to give you a small thing in YOLO app. Please go through the YOLO app. So here, touch this online classes. Paina chudandi, in the upper one, assignments is there. Go through assignments. Okay, now create an assignment. Upload any photo. Ask the children to do these particular notes. For example, we are going to give one small notes here. Take out a video or image. If you want, already you have a document, you can have a document. If you don't have image, you can just through gallery also you can go, or camera also you can go. Open the camera and just click it. Ask the child to do these sums. So just I am taking the photographs. This actually belongs to one page, but I have taken 3 pages. Okay, I'm clicking OK. Then next, then the title you have to give. Do homework, or else this is abacus one, right? Abacus. Do homework and send your pictures. Send your notes. Abacus. Do homework. Do complete homework and send your notes. Description. Or else you can just keep it a title as a very less one. Title you can type right less. Type inta peddaga avasram ledu. Abacus homework. Right? Now the description. Do homework. Do the complete the notes and send it back before time. Now type next. Now for which class? The class which you want to send it. Click a demo group. Then next. If the classes, whichever the classes you want, that you can do it. Schedule the time. Now today, Saturday, July 3rd. Saturday, July 3rd. So yes, okay. Time. Now it is 1:40. We'll keep it 1:50 p.m. Okay. Now the scheduled assignment. Enter the date. No, 3 o'clock. Enter the time. So 40 p.m. to 10. Okay. (6:42 p.m.) Now what is it saying? Yeah, deadline అయిపోయిన తర్వాత టైం పంపించడానికి లేదు అంటుంది. So here we can just up to 4. Submission deadline అంటే ఎప్పుడు వరకు లాస్ట్ వాళ్ళు ఎప్పుడు వరకు పంపించాలి. We can keep it 4th. This timing very important ma. సబ్మిషన్ టైం అడుగుతుంది. సబ్మిషన్ టైం ఫస్ట్ మనం క్రియేట్ చేసుకోవాల్సింది సబ్మిషన్ టైం. దానివల్లనే మనకు మొన్నటిసారి కూడా నేను క్రియేట్ చేశాను కానీ మీ దగ్గర రాలేదు. నువ్వు 9:45 p.m. 9 o'clock is the p.m. Let us keep it 9 p.m. Okay, 9 to p.m. is the submission time. Choose the submission time. Now ఇప్పుడు ఎప్పటి నుంచి స్టార్ట్ కావాలి ఇది? So let us keep it 1 1 o'clock, 1:45. We'll keep it 1:45 a.m. or 1:50 we will keep it. Okay, 1:50 p.m. Okay, now schedule is clear. Cannot schedule the assignment before what it is coming ma? Cannot schedule the assignment for the past time. అయిపోయిన టైంని షెడ్యూల్ చేయలేము అంటుంది. Let us keep it 2 o'clock, 2 p.m. Now it is scheduled. So 9 to varaki, enter the date, enter the time, enter the date. Schedule assignment. Assignment is scheduled from on 3rd July 2 p.m. ki schedule start అవుతుంది. డెడ్లైన్ వచ్చేసి 9 p.m. కి అయిపోతుంది. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ స్టార్ట్ చేసేది ఎంటర్ ద డేట్ అండ్ డెడ్లైన్, దెన్ ఎంటర్ ద డేట్ ఆ షెడ్యూల్ అసైన్మెంట్ క్లిక్ చేస్తే ఇది వస్తుంది. నౌ నెక్స్ట్. నౌ దిస్ ఈజ్ గివెన్ టు విచ్ గ్రూప్? డెమో గ్రూప్, Cambridge Gautam School. Okay, abacus work. Now post the assignment. Now we are posting the assignment. Done. Okay, this was the total assignment which we have done.